Are you dreaming of becoming a US citizen? In this video, we will explain the USA citizenship process in 10 simple steps that are easy to understand. Step number 1. Become a green card holder. First, you must become a permanent resident by getting a green card. Step number 2. Meet the residency requirement. Most people must live in the USA as a green card holder for 5 years before applying. If married to a US citizen, it is usually 3 years. Step number 3. Be physically present. You must spend enough time living in the United States during the required period. Step number 4. Show good moral character. You should obey US laws, pay taxes, and avoid serious criminal offenses. Step number 5. Apply for citizenship. Complete and submit Form N-400, the application for naturalization. Step number 6. Attend the biometrics appointment. Your fingerprints and photograph will be taken for a background check. Number 7. Pass the citizenship interview. An immigration officer reviews your application and asks questions about your background. Step number 8. Pass the English and Civics test. Most applicants must show basic English skills and answer questions about US history and current. Step number 9. Receive approval. If everything is successful, your application is approved. Step number 10. Take the oath of allegiance. You officially become a US citizen after taking the oath of allegiance and receive your certificate of naturalization. The US citizenship process can take time, but for many people, it is the final step toward becoming an American citizen. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and follow the USA Guide for more easy to understand videos about the United States. Thanks for watching.